I know nothing. I know nothing. Elliot, what's going on in there? What's Callie doing?
You know, things.
I know, but I know nothing.
Sorry, I have to go.
What's happening in there, Lisa?
In there? It's private, baby bot, you know?
But I know nothing. They won't tell me anything. What are they doing in there?
Launching translation. Don't worry, baby bot. We'll tell you. This strange place is hiding something inside. A toilet. Do you know what a toilet is, baby bot?
Nope.
Okay, pay attention. The toilet is a container we use when we have to pee or poop. Well, I specifically don't. But you living beings do. Fascinating. Yes. And remember the most important thing. After using the toilet, wipe, flush, and wash with soap. Wipe, flush, and wash with soap.
Wipe, flush, and wash with soap. Wipe, flush, and wash with soap.
I would if I had hands or a bottom. Oops. Sorry, Billy. Wipe, flush, and wash with soap.
Wipe, flush, and wash with soap. Wipe, flush, and wash with soap.
Yes! That was a great explanation!
Stop! Have you wiped?
Yes.
Have you flushed?
Yes.
Have you washed your hands?
Well...
Let's see those hands. They are not clean. Go wash those hands with soap. And your hands?
Billy says he didn't go to the bathroom.
I'll fix that.
Well, if you don't need to go...
We We will wait.
That's right, Billy. We'll wait. Take your time. Ah, I'm so jealous.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.
That was fun.